For this design I am using 4 lengths of 0.8mm dead soft bare copper wire. The length will depend on the size of your pendant. I am using 14 inches and the finished pendant will be approximately 2 inches. I have drawn a heart to use as a template. It should be 1 cm smaller than the required finished size. Take your first base wire and find the middle. Use pliers to bend the wire approximately 90 degrees. Use the template to shape the wire. Where the wires cross, bend them parallel. I am going to use 0.31mm wire to create a bed to attach the cogs. I start by wrapping the wire around the parallel wires to anchor them. I am filling in the heart with small loops. Take the wire end over the frame and then back under and through the loop. This is a little difficult to describe, so hopefully my dodgy sketch will help. Continue all the way around the frame. I will now start to attach more loops to the ones I have already made, working my way around and inwards until the frame is full. When you start to run out of wire, just wrap the end around the loop you have just used to secure the wire and bring it back to the front. Start a new wire the same way by just wrapping the end securely to the next loop to where the last wire ends. Trim the excess wire. Make sure the cut ends are at the front where they will be covered by the cogs. I have bent the other 3 wires at their centre points and will now weave them together with 0.31mm wire. I start by finding the middle of the weaving wire and weave the base wires together on either side of the bend. I am using a simple zigzag stitch, wrapping twice around the 2 lower wires and then twice around the 2 upper wires and repeating. Now start attaching them to the frame using the weaving wire, gently bending them to match the heart shape. This pendant will be asymmetrical and sit at an angle, so I am adding a loop for the chain or cord on one of the rounded parts of the heart. The frame is now ready for me to attach my cogs. I use this method not only because it makes securing the cogs easier, but also because they are made of metal alloy and could irritate sensitive skin. Bare copper is a pure metal and is anti-allergenic to the majority of people, so the copper bed acts as a barrier. Arrange the cogs. You could choose to use all the same colour or mix it up as I am doing. I will be using liver of sulphur to age the finished pendant, so the bright silver cogs will be darker and not stand out so much. I will be using 0.2mm wire to attach the cogs to the wire bed. If you are familiar with sewing, it is just like using a tacking stitch to hold the cogs in place. When the bottom layer of cogs are secure, start attaching the top layer the same way. I will be ending this video here as it is getting quite long. Please join me for part 2.